Hi, it's 𝕻𝕗𝕌. So I'm back with another video. So part one was how to drop ship with a boutique. And if you didn't already see the video, you can um, go to my channel and go to the playlist that I have already set up, or you can see in the cue cards. But if you are starting a business, then you might be interested in this. This is something that could possibly help you if you are somebody who um, doesn't want to keep things on hand. If you want to be able to ship products to your customers without having to use your own money, then this is for you. So if you are looking to drop ship, then this is a tool that you can use. It's a very good selling technique. Um, it's used in a lot of different aspects all over the internet, and it basically allows you to focus on um, providing uh, a service to a customer and having to be the the wholesaler, or what people would consider to be the middleman. So we're gonna jump right into this. As you can see, it's Aliexpress already put up on the screen. If you don't know what Aliexpress is, it's basically like a a wholesale site or a bulk buying site where you can get any product that you want at a cheaper price, and the more you buy, the cheaper it will be. And you can use this to keep track of all your inventory, and use this for your benefit of your business. As you can see towards the top, it has categories, it has value deals, top ranking, flash deals, and you can scroll down to any of the products that you are selling. Depending on what your boutique is, then you will be able to look into any of these products. As you can see, it'll show you at the bottom how many were sold per vendor. And as of right now, this is a high selling product right here, which is $22.99, which is the wholesale price that they will let you buy it at. So as you can see at the top, you want to just go into what the reviews are, how many orders. You want to look at the description of the images. Make sure that if you are going to be using their pictures, that you are cropping out what they have. You can go to remove background. You can save this onto your site, press remove background, and then you can put it on your site. Choose a color. If you want to do that, you can do it that way. Or you can also do a reverse image by just saving this and then going on Google and finding something similar so that you can use it. It's also divided by color, as you can see right here, and then size. And it also lets you know what the quantity is and how much shipping. So what I try to do, if I'm going to be shipping from AliExpress, is try to pick the most reliable source, which most of the time is excuse me is ePacket, but a lot of times it takes a little while. As of right now, today is December 12th, so it'll take about a month to arrive. But if you want to pay more, if you have a customer who wants to buy at a bulk price from you, then you could always go with the higher um, amount, depending on what your markup price is. A lot of the times, I like to go with a markup of at least 150%, depending on what the product is. Of course, it's not going to be like that for every product. If not, then you can just do times two plus what shipping is, and then that'll work. So as you can see, it's not the shipping is not that much based on for one product. You can go down and also see um, what their sizing is, and then you can also look into their actual store and see what their rate is by just clicking on it. Make sure you are just looking at the overall performance as a company, seeing how long they've been in business, seeing what people are saying, seeing what type of products they do sell, so that maybe you can possibly save it and save it to your favorites, and then you can use them. I don't know why it's, as you can see, it says wholesale, drop shipping, and customization. So they do offer um, drop shipping and wholesale. If you want to do that, you can go to feedback. I don't know why it's taking so long, but um, we're going to go to the next thing. So one of the tools that you can use for Aliexpress is Oberlo. So if you are downloading this to your computer, you could easily go to, hold on, let's go back. You can go to the product and then import it to your site through Oberlo. As you can see at the right hand corner at the bottom, it says add to Oberlo. So if you are, depending on what platform you have, you could add go to the App Store, add it to your apps, connect it, and then once you go to the site, it can automatically uh, be placed into your inventory log. So then you can have it that way. So then basically, once you do that, it will give you something like this. So it'll basically, once you press add to Oberlo, it'll come right here where you can change the title, you can change the collections, you can change the type, and you can add tags and the description, all of those good things. So usually what it'll try to do is it'll automatically generate what your price should be per item. You can change it if you want to. As you can see, it lets you know how many inventory items they have and where it's shipping from. So what you want to do is you want to contact the vendor, and you want to let them know that you are interested in their product. You can ask them how much each item is going to be. You have to make sure that you are in constant communication with them, because sometimes their time frames are a little bit different. Sometimes they also send you promo codes, and then you'll be able to talk to them. So basically, you can just say, hi, I am interested in your bubble coats. How much for wholesale of one? That's pretty much all that you will really be saying. Sometimes, depending on what time it is, I try to contact them from 11 or at least like 7 p.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning. They'll write you back, and then they will sometimes refer you to WhatsApp, or they'll write you and they'll let you know, if they're available and how much the price is. So we're going to go back to Aliexpress. So you can easily choose any of these products if you want to drop ship. It doesn't really matter. You can place it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, OfferUp, LetGo, Poshmark. You can put it on flyers, business cards. Just put it in a way that is presentable for your audience. It doesn't really have to be exactly like this. You can change it up. You can get models. You can get brand ambassadors, send them items so that yes, you are drop shipping because you are taking the customer's information and send it to the vendor so that they can ship it, but it's still the same method. But I also want to let you know that sometimes sometimes it will require you to put in a great amount of effort, because depending on what site you are on, you do have to draw traffic to your site, and you don't want people to be turned off by what you're selling because you don't have a professional site, or you don't have a platform that is appealing to them. So if you are going to put it on certain sites, make sure you are using hashtags that are relevant to the post that you're making, that you're engaging with other people that are in your niche, and just make sure that it is an overall brand that people can trust. Make sure that you're responding back to customers, and that you are checking your emails for any um, any problems or any concerns that customers may have. So as you can see with this one, it kind of looks like they photoshopped it a little, but it as you can see they have actual models, so you can kind of see a little bit of the material of what they're selling. So it says 90-day guarantee protection, that's good, and then free returns. And then it also shows you the frequency of which people are buying and how many orders they've had um, since November 29th, 2020. But you do have to make sure that you are on top of your tracking numbers, because sometimes if you aren't using an app, like I said before, if you want to get the top apps or the top Shopify apps, I'm going to also I'm going to also put the cue card in here. Or you can look at my previous videos of the best apps that you can use. But one of the apps that I do suggest is to get um, after ship, because it automatically, once you put in the tracking number, it automatically send the information to your customers, and then all of the information is already made available for you and the customer, which takes less time um, for you to do. But I do want you to understand that sometimes it does take a little while for it to arrive. So you just want to make sure that you are keeping your customers updated and letting them know that the shipping may be a little longer than what is expected. So most of the time it's 7 to 20 business days. It may be shorter, but you just want to make sure that your customers um, are always in tune with what's going on. But I hope that I actually um, helped you a little, or helped you a lot on what it takes to have a drop shipping business through Aliexpress. Um, these are the deals of the week. So these are products that you can use also. But yeah, it's pretty good site. Pretty good site. You just have to make sure that you are just paying attention to what the actual product looks like, because that's really what's most important. Like building a business it takes patience and hard work, whether you plan to do it full-time or part-time, but dedication is a must. And you just want to make sure that you are staying positive and you are just being appreciative and